Hello students, how are you all? Let's start our class today. Right? Tenses. First we will revise what we did in last two classes. So again we will revise this. There are three tenses: past, present and future. Right? And further they are categorized into four types: simple, perfect, continuous and perfect continuous. Then present simple tense, right, is MR. Either they can be made with the help of helping verbs is MR, or with the other verbs with S or ES, right? With singular subject you will add S or ES with the verb, but the subject, if the subject is plural, then you will not add S or ES. And the helping verb we use in these sentences is do or does. Does with singular subject and do with plural subject. Fine. Then I told you about the usage, general truth, habits, future timetables, future after when or until, permanent situations, for newspaper headlines, with non-progressive nouns, with non-progressive verbs, when telling stories, for giving directions and instructions. Do you all remember this? Then I told you about non-progressive verbs are related to mental processes, emotional states, possessions, senses and other states. Now here are some examples related to this non-progressive verbs. And I also told you that if these non-progressive verbs are used in progressive tense, then their meaning is changed. And these are the examples of this, right? And now this is a list of non-progressive verbs. You can go through this. Then we did present continuous tense. In this we all know that we use helping verb is MR plus first form of the verb and ing. Is with singular subject and R with plural subject, M with I. Fine. And if as we already have a helping verb in this tense, we just add not with these helping verbs. Then the usage of present continuous tense: action happening now, temporary situations, annoying habits, changing situations, definite future plans. Now these are the examples and these are the time expressions which can be used in this tense. Then we did present perfect tense. In this we have has or have plus the third form of the verb. Past participle is third form, right? Has with singular subject and have with plural subject. Then the usage of this tense we did things you have done in your life. I have been to England. Number of times you have done something, right? Recently completed actions which are important now. I have already lost my job, right? But this is important now. This action has been done. You have already lost your job. And the consequences are, and you are facing the consequences now, right? Situations that started in the past and are still true. Present result: John has just missed the bus, so he will be late. अभी क्या है इसका present result? Means John has just missed the bus. अभी क्या हुआ है? उसने बस को मिस कर दिया है, right? और वो लेट हो जाएगा. तो अभी उसने क्या किया? बस को मिस कर दिया है. तो इस तरह के टेंसेस में हम इस पार्ट में, राइट, इस पार्ट में हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज करेंगे. अनफिनिश्ड एक्शंस और सिचुएशंस: I have lived here since 2004. मीन्स अनफिनिश्ड क्यों है ये? क्योंकि अभी भी आप वहीं पर रह रहे हो, आप वहाँ पर 2004 से रह रहे हो, राइट. एंड द एडवर्ब्स विच कैन बी एडेड हियर in this tense are just, already, yet, for, since, never, ever, right. As I told you in the previous lecture, you have to learn the usage of these tenses, right. Now moving further, present perfect continuous tense, right. This is the fourth one of present tense. Fourth, it means first we did simple present tense, then present continuous, then present perfect, and now present perfect continuous tense, right. Now in this also we know that we use has or have, has with singular subject and have with plural subject, plus been plus third form of the verb, plus for or since, plus the object of the sentence, right. They have been learning English for 2 years. Now they is plural subject, so we are using have. They have been learning English for 2 years. They have not been learning English for years. Have they been learning English for years? For 2 years you can add here, right. Now the usage of this tense, perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, long actions that started in the past and continue until now, right. Long actions that started in the past, past में ही शुरू हो चुका था action, but it is still continuing. I have been living in Ireland for almost 4 years. Means I started living there 4 years back, but still I am there. Fine. Recent actions that have clear evidence or results now. Means recently we did something, and the results of that action, results, or you can say evidence, is now clear. Her eyes are red. Her eyes are red is the evidence or the result that is clear, right. Because she has been crying all evening. Now this is the recent action. She has been crying all evening. Typically used for shorter, more temporary situations. Means typically for temporary situations. Have they been learning English this week? Right? Are they still learning English? Are they learning English for this week? Right? क्या वो इस वीक से पूरा इस वीक इंग्लिश लर्न कर रहे हैं? Right? This is a temporary situation. And shorter one. This week is a shorter temporary situation, right. Typically they are used for this type of sentences. Fine. Now these we have done present tense. We will move to past tense. Past simple tense. Now in the same way as we saw in simple present tense, past tense can also be these sentences can also be made with to be verbs or the simple verbs. To be means helping verbs, and verbs are the other verbs, and in this the helping verbs are was or were. He was there, he was not there. In the same way, because we have the helping verb, we need not add any other helping verb. We have just to add not with this. Was or were will start the sentence for forming the interrogative sentences. Was he there? Now with other verbs, we use second form of the verb. I bought 2 tickets yesterday. Bought is the second form of buy. Buy is the verb, right? And for forming the negative sentence, then we need to have a helping verb. So in past simple tense we use did. Subject plus did not plus verb. I didn't buy any ticket yesterday. Remember, if you have used did, then the first form of the verb will be there in the sentence. Now to form the interrogative sentences, you have to start the sentence with did, the helping verb. Did you buy any ticket yesterday? Fine. Now the usage of this tense. Completed action in the past. I saw a ghost last Friday. Very simple. The action has already been completed. A series of completed actions in the past means there are certain actions in a series. I finished work, walked on the beach and found a nice place to swim. So this is a series of completed actions. Habits in the past. When I was young, I watched lots of television after school every day. Fine. Now with non-progressive verbs, we read about non-progressive verbs when we were doing present simple tense, right? And you can go and see the list. There we have. Have is also a non-progressive verb. Now we have used here the second form of have, that is had. He had a small cottage in the woods, right? Action in the past. Stories are generally written in past tense, right? So the actions in the past stories where we are using past tense. She sat down and ordered a coffee. So these both verbs are in past simple tense, means second form of the verb. Time expressions we can use in this tense is yesterday, ago, last month, last week, last year, in 2003, right? So you have to learn these usages. या तो इन्हें लर्न कर लो या फिर इनको बार बार पढ़ो, राइट? ताकि आपको याद हो जाए कि किस तरीके की एक्शंस में, किस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस में हम कौन सा पर्टिकुलर टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. फाइन. ओके, बाय. See you tomorrow with other tense.